God is saying to you today, you will never go through life alone. You will never be destroyed. I will always be with you and I will always protect you. I love you. God will restore everything you lost. You will recover. You will bounce back. Better days are coming. Blessings are coming your way. What's about to happen next will cause you to rejoice. God is up to something incredible and destiny I have in store for you. I know your heart is broken. I know it's hard to move on, but know I am close to the broken-hearted. I will bind and protect your wounds so you can heal. The healing process will take time, but as you come into my presence daily, you will have the strength to get up and walk into the love blessing. In your moments of pain, control yourself and turn to me. Many people turn to alcohol, drugs, bad behaviors, and sexual behaviors. I am here for you. Type Amen.